Kim Hyun-soo is a South Korean actress. She was born on 23 June 2000 in Osan-si, South Korea. Kim co-starred with Jang Hyuk for the 2020 historical action film The Swordsman. In the same year, she was cast in SBS melodrama suspense written by a well-known screenwriter, Kim Sun-ok, The Penthouse War in Life. She often starred as a younger version of female protagonists in television series such as Bridal Mask and My Love from the Star before receiving her first leading role in Solomon's Perjury. In 2016, she acted alongside Kim Hae-soo in the well-received dramedy film Familyhood as a high school girl who got caught up in teenage pregnancy. Later that year, Kim has been cast as a protagonist for the first time in JTBC's youth mystery drama Solomon's Perjury. In 2018, she played the role of a young Im Soo-ah in Be With You. Kim Hyun-soo started to work in the entertainment industry as a child model. She debuted as an actress through 2011 film Silenced, in which her role as a deaf student who suffered abuse landed her the nomination for Best Supporting Actress at the 49th Grant Bell Awards. Kim then starred as a younger version of female protagonist in several hit series, notably Deep Rooted Tree, Bridal Mask and My Love from the Star. She played the first regular role in TV series with Gunman in Joseon. In 2015, she appeared on The Treacherous as Young Den-hee. In 2013, she appeared on The Five. In 2019, she played TV series rookie historian Go Hae-ryang. In 2018, she played TV series mother as young Kang Soo-jin. In 2020, she won Best Young Actress for The Penthouse War in Life in SBS Drama Awards. In 2014, she won Best Young Actress for My Love from the Star in APAN Star Awards.